Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from GardenEquipmentReview.com. Hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at the Billy Goat LB352 wheeled push vacuum. Billy Goat's sort of famous for making wheeled garden vacuums. They do a number of machines that we have on our website. Yesterday we were looking at the Feider, a fairly basic but self-propelled garden vacuum. Feider makes some sort of fairly budget equipment, but they seem to get very good reviews. Yesterday's model sold for £699. But the Billy Goat we're looking at, which is a similar type machine, a bit more expensive, £719.99, but this model is a push model. If I was looking to buy, I would probably go for one that is self-propelled, to be fair, and I would probably go for the Billy Goat brand, as they're well known, but as we know, it all comes down to budget and we can't always afford what we quite want. So let's look at some of the features. First of all, Billy Goat's an American company that's been running for just over 50 years. They're still based in the USA. We've got some features down here. Features, as I said, 50 years of manufacturing, compact machine, Briggs & Stratton engine, adjustable height, large collection bag, an optional hose kit, which I would recommend, and the 1 year's manufacturer's warranty. So this hose kit, to my mind, it should really come with it, to be fair, because I think if you don't have it, you're not getting the full value for your machine. But unfortunately, that is an optional extra. But it certainly makes your machine much more versatile to getting in those places where the machine can't actually get. So something I would recommend. And if I was purchasing one, I would also get the hose attachment. Here we have adjustable wheels. As you can see in the picture here, the wheels are adjustable. Just the front wheels, so depending what sort of work you're doing, if you're on a lawn or gravel driveway, you can adjust the height to suit. Impeller, so inside in here there's an impeller that basically smashes up the leaves and the debris, so you can get more in your bag. The bag is, I think it's 110 litres, so it's quite a large bag, but with the impeller that helps to really sort of put into small pieces. You get more sort of value, more space per litre, as it's nice and compact. The engine is Briggs & Stratton, perhaps one of the cheaper engines, although I've had lots of machines with Briggs & Stratton engines on, and over the years, I've been using them for over 40 years, I've had minimal trouble with them, to be fair. This one's a fairly basic engine, 140cc, 3.5 horsepower. I did mention in my blog post about keeping the air filter clean. Especially if you're picking up debris, it can get dusty. Make sure and keep that clean for efficient running. This one is a recoil start, a straightforward traditional recoil start. But the great thing is with Briggs engines, parts are available and they're sensibly priced. So I put an eBay link on in case you want to look on eBay. Just take care when you're purchasing from eBay. Then to conclude, this is a good little machine, but I would definitely go for a self-propelled one. But once again, it does come down to budget, as I mentioned earlier. Certainly a good way of picking up leaves. It's something I didn't mention. It's a 20-inch width, which is in the. Got it down here somewhere. It's got the, where are we, 20 inch or 51 centimeters. So it's not tiny, and the great thing is it's as it's smaller, you can get down places larger machines wouldn't go. But as I said, if you've got lots of large areas, definitely go for a driven machine. We'll be covering more machines in the next few days, and we'll also put here, you can actually click here and you can find more similar machines. If you've got any questions, please feel free to to write in the comments section. I do try and respond to comments, and I'm here to help. Thanks very much for watching.